Hey guys, I'm still in Covington, Georgia. I'm out here, my on-site agent Misty called me. She said, D Lowe, we got one to blow out the door, but you gotta close by December 28th, 2018. You have some great builder incentives and plus some extra incentive. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, and we have a studio, a nice bonus room for the people that work from home. It'll be a great space for you. But again, we gotta close by December 28th, 2018. You guys can do it. You just have to call me now. This is the JUNIPER-D. That's the floor plan. So when you call me, say, D Lowe, I'm looking for that JUNIPER-D. And again, this is 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths. Look at the warm floor. Nice hardwoods. Beautiful. And do you remember I told you about that studio? Nice French doors. This will make a great home office. Nice and private. It's at the front of the home. So if you still have your family at home, you can come in here, close your doors, and take care of business. Look at this nice shaping on the front. Beautiful. This room gets plenty of sunlight. And then as we come in, we have a dining room and family room, nice and open. I know a lot of people call and say, hey, D Lowe, I want an open floor plan. How much open can you get? You have this family room, dining room, huge kitchen with the huge island. Think about family time, like we're going into the Thanksgiving, Christmas season. Picture yourself with your family just gathered here. Everybody can commune together. You can separate yourself, whatever. It's your choice. Look at this massive island. How cool is this island? Picture yourself cooking, holiday time, special occasions. Nice and open. The fireplace is on, it's nice and toasty. I don't even want to leave. I know people been calling, buyers been calling in regards to, they say, D Lowe, I want a little land with my property. Look at this nice level private lot. Check it out. Look at that, massive, level, private, huge. A lot of properties you get these days in these price points, which this home is under $265 today, but prices are increasing. So act fast. This home is under $265 for 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths. Nice, large, level, private lot. Come around and check out this nice, huge pantry. For you Sam Club and Costco buyers, think about filling that up. And look at this nice area where you can make it your own, make it your little mud area, put you some benches and things and put your shoes and coat racks and things like that when you come out of your 2-car garage. Stainless steel appliances, granite, backsplash, 42-inch cabinets, espresso. It has everything that you need. But again, we need to close by December 28th, 2018 to take advantage of extra incentives. I'm gonna show you the master bedroom and then I'm out. All right, let's check out the master. Nice hardwood stairs. You don't have any carpet to clean on this stairway. That's pretty cool when you have children. Just wipe it down and go and it still looks beautiful. So I showed you 1 bedroom downstairs, so we have 4 bedrooms up, 2 additional full baths. As you can see, it's nice and open. Look at these wrought iron spindles. Nice. Look at the nice archways. So we have the 4 bedrooms over on this side. Laundry room. You don't have to go downstairs to do your laundry. Right up here with your master bedroom and your secondary bedroom. Your guests shouldn't stay that long where they have to wash their clothes. How you like those secondary bedrooms? Now look at this nice master. Huge master. And you have your sitting area. Your sitting area faces the front of the street, so you can see exactly what's going on your main road. Nice. King size bed. I can see some dressers and nightstands. Plenty of space, plenty of light. Nice side window on this side to give you some natural light. Nice and airy and open. We have his and hers closet. Nice ceramic floor. His and hers, hers and hers. Double vanities. Huge frameless shower. 5-foot shower, give you that extra elbow room. It's beautiful. Nice, beautiful open ensuite. Ceramic tile. Espresso cabinets. Ceramic going around the shower, around the tub. Nice light out and natural light coming through. Huge soaking tub. Long day at work. Jump in your soaker. So again, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a studio or office space downstairs. Under $265, huge level lot. We're in Covington, Georgia. Give me a call, 770-885-3790. Again, call me now, 770-885-3790. Toodles.